Say goodbye to your pretty lawn, man. Say goodbye to your pretty lawn. Your lawn is going bye-bye. Say goodbye to my little lawn, my friend. This is it. This is it. We're going to finish you off. Say goodbye. Hold on, I'll explain why. What am I doing? Being an idiot. Actually, this is part of our testing program that we're doing. We're going to take the world's greatest Bermuda lawn, ta-da, and we're basically going to kill it. We're not going to kill it. We're going to take it down to almost the spring scalp, which is something you should never do this time of year. It's October 7th, and what we're going to do tomorrow, I have a crew coming over, and they're going to scalp it way down. Not spring scalp height, but pretty close to it. Right now the lawn is pretty long. It's about 2.5 inches. That's pretty long for my lawn. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do some documentation on this lawn and 2 other lawns of this new product that's coming out for 2019, which I believe will be the best product on the market for 2019 for lawns because it's so simple. So we're going to take this down. We're going to start spraying this new product on the lawn, and then we're going to document it over the next couple of weeks. We're also going to do the same thing. I'll probably spray it on barbs, and then the world's worst Bermuda lawn, because it doesn't have an irrigation system, we kind of lost that lawn. I mean, it's all Bermuda, but I'm going to go treat that one too, and we're going to watch what it does on that. So I'm going to have basically 3 lawns that we can monitor over a 2 to 3 week period and show you what happens with it. But this lawn, this beautiful lawn's going away. It's going to be ugly. So you're going to want to click that subscribe button so you don't miss any of these videos, because I'm going to do several updates on this. But it should be kind of interesting. I figure I'd just do a quick video, let you guys know what I'm doing, that I got a lot going on. We'll have a lot of videos coming out. If you have any questions, we are doing some question and A. I just put up a Q&A for fall. I answer a lot of questions. All the products should be in stock except for the Barricade Granular, and that should be hitting any day. I know it was shipped out last week to Amazon. I talked to the guy that does that, and so any day that should be in. Matter of fact, I just put some more out. I actually take care of the entrance to our subdivision, so I put some of that Barricade out there this morning. And that's about it, guys. So monitor what's going on here. It's going to be interesting. Can't tell you much more right now, but it's going to be pretty cool. Talk to you later. Doc.